Not gonna lie, takes a lot to be on camera. Have to get haircuts, sometimes bad ones that you have to get fixed, especially after this video. Have to shave on a regular basis, Philips Norelco One Blade. And you have to brush your teeth regularly. Now, I do have a pretty good toothbrush, but I just got a better one. Why? Casino night at my school. It was a good day. Came out a big winner after some blackjack, and I won a Philips Sonicare 4100 Protective Clean Electric Toothbrush. Let's take a look inside this box. Now, I don't know about you, but dental health has always been a priority for me personally. I haven't had a cavity since I was 10, but also around that time is when I smashed my front teeth in. Neither here nor there though, an electric toothbrush has kept me from not getting cavities. And from a very trustworthy source from my college who goes to the dentist regularly, she said, and I quote, "My dentist said, this is the best bang for your buck toothbrush in regards to having to pay for dental procedures that you can buy. Is it worth it?" Let's see. Pull the box open. This is not gonna be pretty. It's one of these weird like sticky boxes. Product itself, $49.99 on Amazon. Maybe you can find a deal somewhere else, but Amazon link below. We open it up after absolutely murdering the top of it. And we see the Philips Sonicare 4100 in a nice little baby holder. Directions, it's a toothbrush. I really don't think you can mess this up, but it does have a 6-month extended warranty and free brush head offer. And the brush heads aren't cheap. Depending on when you get them, they can range all the way up to like 20 bucks or something like that. Make sure you find a deal, buy a lot of them. Carrying case, very important to me because I travel a lot, but we'll actually look at it when we are looking at the brush. This does have a couple neat features like a built-in timer, pressure sensitivity, and easy start. I don't know when it's ever been difficult for me to start my toothbrush, but this one says it's even easier. The easier start says first 14 brushings to help you get used to the brushing with Philips Sonicare. Oh, so it gently increases the power over time, because sometimes when you switch from a normal toothbrush to an electric toothbrush, it can be quite shocking and cause some pain, but the easy start gives you 14 days of building up your grit to brushing. The brush head replacement reminder, it is equipped with brush sync technology that tracks the wear of your toothbrush head. And then when attaching a new smart brush head for the first time, the brush head replacement reminder light blinks green 3 times. To deactivate, why would you deactivate that? I don't know. Pressure sensor, your Philips Sonicare is equipped with an advanced sensor that measures the pressure you apply while brushing. If you apply too much pressure, the toothbrush will provide immediate feedback to indicate that you need to reduce the pressure so you don't murder your own teeth. Quad Pacer is an interval timer that has a short beep and pause to remind you to brush the different sections of your mouth. Sweet. It will hold your hand while brushing your teeth. That's enough of that though. We take it, we throw it aside. We look, the actual brush here, a nice sleek matte black with white trim. Brush head, 1 in total. Smart brush head gives you the reminders of when to replace. I'm assuming if you buy the off-brand heads that are a bit cheaper, it probably won't feature that smart head. Place that on like so. Click. Charging base, also black, which is good because the white ones can fill up with all your grime from brushing and get all nasty. Throw that aside. And last but not least, there's not a case in here because you can buy one from my understanding, which I'm kind of disappointed that it doesn't include one, but you win some, you lose some. Would this be a toothbrush review if I didn't brush my teeth? No. So now we will cut to some B-roll of me brushing, and we'll give you the full 2 minutes, maybe, of me brushing my teeth. Now that my pearly whites are all fine and dandy, go take a look at this toothbrush for yourself, link in the description, and ask your dentist about it. We'd be interested to hear. That's all I have for today, folks, though. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, click that subscribe button, and last but not least, bird out.